how to delete a workspace in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a workspace in Notion. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Notion. So once you're on the home page, click on Log in the top right corner. If your account is linked to Google, click Continue with Google for quick access. Select the Google account connected to the workspace you want to delete. After logging in, you'll be on your Notion dashboard. Click on your workspace title in the top left corner. From the list, select the workspace you want to delete. Make sure you pick the right one. Now, click on Settings. Scroll down until you find the option Delete Entire Workspace and click it. Type in the workspace name to confirm. Finally, click Permanently Delete Workspace. And that's it. Your workspace is now deleted. Just remember, this action is irreversible, so make sure to back up anything important before deleting. That's all for the video.